What's up YouTube? FX Strong here with the LEXIN MOTO LX FT4 Bluetooth intercom. So I didn't know much about these guys, to be honest with you. I found them on Instagram. I saw them blowing it up with their new Bluetooth headset. So I actually hit them up. I said, hey guys, just trying to get some more information about your product and whatnot, and how reliable is it, what do you compare it to other companies, and so they were nice enough to actually send me out one, and they said, yeah, we'll send one out, give it a shot, see what you like, try it out, and get back to us. Just let us know how you like it. In no way are they making me do this review, or is it going to be controlled by them. This is going to be my honest opinion of everything that you see that I'm going to show you, and we'll see how good it performs. I can't wait to get this mounted up. So inside your LEXIN MOTO LX FT4 kit, it comes obviously the Bluetooth intercom module itself, charging cable, mounting bracket with the backing plate, which is all metal. Nice, it's not plastic, which I think is a plus. 2 oversized speakers to be put into your helmet. Cable seems plenty long enough for any kind of application you're looking for. The boom audio mic. They actually give you 2. So you get this one that comes with the speakers already attached. I just detached it. Everything that they provide you has 3M backing tape, which is, in my opinion, the best tape you can use. Holds up the best. I've never had any issues with 3M tape. And they also give you the rigid mic, boom audio mic, so you can move it around. Obviously it'll hold its position way better with the metal material. What else do we got here? Speaker backings, in case you need to have them stick out further off of the helmet surface. Mounting screws for the backing plate, and a few spacers, rubber spacers, depending on, I guess, your helmet type, the thickness of your chin bar, where you're going to be installing it. Looks like it's a left side application. Also, you get your LEXIN quick setup guide and your user manual. According to LEXIN, it is good for up to 4 riders and has a range of 1.2 miles, which is pretty good. I don't imagine if you're riding a group of 4 guys, you're going to be further away from each other. Battery life, rechargeable battery. It provides up to 10 to 15 hours of active use from a full charge. Standby time is over a week, according to them. 4-person. Okay. GPS, cell phone, obviously it hooks up to your calls, and music. Let's see what else. Installation guide. Vivid instructions, pictures. Everybody likes pictures, makes it that much simpler. More instructions, and then I think it gets into your pairing modes, your control settings, and exactly how to do it. That seems about it for this user manual. Just all your different applications, how to set up 1 rider, 2 riders, up to 4 riders. Also saw something on here about their yep, it also claims to be a noise canceling headphone, supports with Siri, and it's water resistant. Obviously not waterproof, but if it's in the inside of your helmet, I don't think you're going to be planning on getting this thing soaking wet. So I'm excited. LEXIN LX FT4. I'm going to get this installed onto my helmet, and I'll check back in once I've used it for a while and give you guys my thoughts. Thanks for checking in.